We are back at Dave & Buster's Prize Room. It's been about 6 months since I've done a Prize Room video. This is the St. Louis, Missouri location. There are lots of new things and then stuff we've seen before, but I will point out stuff that interests me. First thing I notice is this nightlight that goes in a toilet. Who thinks of these things? It's 850 tickets, so definitely ticket price has gone up on a lot of stuff, but there's still some good deals to be had. That kitty lamp was 950 tickets. There is a what is that? Diffuser that looks like flames, but it's really not flames. They've got little plants, lights, all kinds of goodies. My husband was showing me the Lucky Cat light. It's extremely light, so it must be very cheap plastic. Robert likes the weather station for 7,500 tickets. Also down there, that tube that looked like wood was two glasses, like bar glasses. He ended up getting that too. It had rock ice cubes in it that were interesting. Here's a condiment dipping clip for people who like to eat in their car. I do not. Yes, Robert is fascinated by that weather station, and he did get it with his tickets, and he enjoys it, and it's in his office, and it looks great. It's actually pretty well made. This is a desktop RoboVac. I thought that was interesting. All of our laptops get so dusty, but really don't need it. Regular vacuum works just as well. Lots of plastic cups, shot glasses, tumblers. Here's some stuff locked up. They have the mini brands for $1,400 or $1,900 for the Disney. They do put those behind the counter because lots of sticky fingers in St. Louis. Definitely the earpods would disappear in no time if they were not locked up. And there's an oven for, I think it was like 70,000 tickets. And yep, Robert's showing me the weather station. And here is Dave & Buster's merchandise. Most of the packaging says Dave & Buster's on the outside. Doesn't necessarily mean the stuff on the inside says Dave & Buster's, because on the bottom there is like a little plastic slot machine that says Dave & Buster's on the box, but inside is just a regular generic slot machine. I actually got that with my tickets, and I definitely regret it. It was broken. The handle was broken off. The box had never been opened. The tumbling feature would not work. I got it for 2,900 tickets, so I do plan on taking it back next week and seeing if they will let me exchange it for a different one. It was very disappointing getting a toy that does not work. I've never actually exchanged anything at Dave & Buster's. I assume they'll let me do it, no problem. Comment down below if you've ever had to exchange something because your prize was broken. I don't know what their policy is, but I don't know why they wouldn't take it back. Plus, I go there a lot. I don't see it being an issue, but I'll let you know if it is. And then here's like the little Bath and Body Works section. That's just a foam dice with different yoga poses, bath masks, eye masks, bath bombs, face masks. Here is more electronic stuff. I picked up that little Game Changer squishy. It's not a very good squishy. It's more like a stress ball. And then they got blankets and lights, and what else do they got? Robert was looking at the LED mini lights, and up there, these are little car charms you hang off of your rearview mirror. They got fake plants, a disco ball, more blankets, headbands. Up above, they have a lava lamp. I thought was intriguing, but I already have a lava lamp. But if I needed one, it's only 2,900 tickets. I pick up this little soda pop can to see it, and it is actually bath bombs. Nothing I need, but it is a cute packaging. And here is more stuff that's locked up. They still have NFTs. I was really into the NFTs last year. I still collect them. I just not into it as much as I was last year. And then here is an iPad Air for 180,000 tickets. We have enough tickets to get it. We keep going back and forth on whether it's really worth it or not. I should say my husband has enough tickets. We each have our own Dave & Buster cards. He wins way more tickets than I do. And we do have the Oculus, but we actually paid for that. We did not win that. Nintendo Switch, I've won several at different arcades. The Xbox, we have cashed Dave & Buster's tickets in for that in the past. The Roomba, we've got 2 of those, cashed those in. I'm sure someone's saying I'm bragging. I'm not bragging. I'm just telling you what I've got with my tickets. We've been going to Dave & Buster's for years. And then here is like the little plush toy section. You can get a Funko Pop for $2,400. I think those used to be $1,800, so definitely they've raised the ticket value prices on everything. This is a Stranger Things nightlight that looks like a VHS. I didn't get that, but I think next week when we go back, I think I'm gonna get it. That looks pretty cool. Don't know why I would need a red light, but could make my office spooky for Halloween. And you know, I'm an 80s girl, so I love VHS tapes. Other toys, they got lots of Pokemon plush, Jurassic Park plush. I'm looking at the Pokemon. I have most of those there, but I've never seen the Magikarp. So yes, I did take that one home for 900 tickets. He's absolutely adorable. But I have the rest, and then they have some Sonic toys, and I'm just showing Robert the Magikarp. And what else? More Funko Pops, more little mystery boxes. They have bigger Pikachus above, and Sonic Hedgehogs and Super Mario Brothers. Lots of licensed merchandise. I don't remember how much those big plushes are. I think they're like 6,000 tickets. Oh, there's another pink Pokemon I have not seen before. I might get that next week. They got some Minecraft toys. There's those Super Mario Brothers again. This section is like games, remote controlled drones, different types of games. Up above in the upper right hand corner, I see a ring toss that looks interesting. Don't think I'm pointing that out to my husband because we do like these games we can practice at home with. And then just what other games? The toaster, that they've had that for a while. Here's some little cheaper toys for people who don't have many tickets. This was 200. The sticky hand, these have been around forever. I played with those as a kid. I remember when they were cereal box prizes. And that triangle toy, that's been around forever. Cracker Barrel has them on their tables. They're still doing, you can cash in tickets for food on that door. There was a sign for that. And then here's some bigger squishies and some Xbox headphones. Oh, here's a bracelet. The Ocean bracelet for 3,700 tickets. I just showed it because it was like the in thing 2 years ago. My nieces had to have one. And here is some smaller toys for people who don't have as many tickets, for the one-time visitors. Remember, when you go to Dave & Buster's, your ticket values, they never expire. So if you plan on returning, hoard your tickets for something good. This is a classic Chinese torture finger trap, whatever it's called. It's torture really, but I think it's called a finger trap. Lots of other little plastic toys for a decent price ticket value wise, and then lots of plush. They used to have tons of Squishmallows right here. They only had a couple Squishmallows to choose from. I don't remember the price. I don't, the glare is not showing it. I want to say it's like 4,200. I don't know, don't quote me on it. I just know the ticket value of those steadily increase every time we go. As you can see, there's a huge empty space in the middle of this prize room. There used to be a lot of these little independent wooden stands filled with candies and stuff, but as all Dave & Buster's, with kids and adults too, theft is a huge problem. And so they got rid of a lot of the candy. There is some candy up front, but you have to ask the worker for it. So yeah, unfortunately, that's why there's a big empty space. Too much theft going on is the way of the world nowadays. There's some more. I think that was a puzzle. That's all for now.